Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create that your CG object is behind a raw footage object. I mean the object which is inside your footage. Let's start this video with a small intro. Okay guys, now if you open Blender you'll get an interface like this. Now we're not going to select general, but instead of general we're going to select VFX, and it will just create a new VFX file for us, and you'll see something like this: motion tracking, masking, compositing, rendering. For now we're going to go through masking, right? So go to masking and it will give an option open. Okay, now click this one and I'm going to get my image loaded where I have this folder and this is my image. Okay, for now I'm using an image, so what I'm going to do is just set the end frame as 1. Okay, now we're gonna mask this flower vase. Okay, control left click and you'll find a dot. Control left click and there will be a line. Now you need to just cover the whole flower vase. Okay, just wait. Yeah, you just need to cover the whole thing. Okay, control left click. Okay, remember this. And when you get to this point, select all C and it will just join the starting and the end dots and it will just create a line. Now our mask is ready. Now let's go and do some compositing. Before that we need to add something. I'll just add by clicking this plus button and general and layout. Okay, now we'll just add a cube for now and select this camera, Alt R, Alt G, RX 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis, GY, which is grab and move it in y-axis. And now I'll just use this cube and select the camera, and you need to check background images and load your image, which is, I'll open it, wait, yeah, this one. Yep. Now I will just scale it down and get it in vase, behind the vase. Okay, flower vase, just like that, and my thing is ready, my cube is ready. And okay, now we're halfway through. Okay guys, now that you have masked your raw footage object, now let's go ahead and do some compositing in Blender. Okay guys, now we're in our compositing tab. Click on use nodes and you'll just get an interface like this. Render layers is connected to the composite node. Now I'm going to add an movie clip. Okay, you might ask why you're adding a movie clip, because if you go to the masking, before we mask this flower vase, it has asked to enter a movie clip. Now I'll just open my image. See, if you just click on this icon, it will feed a JPG file. I'll just select that and Control Shift left click on the movie clip to add a viewer node. This will just create a backdrop of our image. See, as you can see, it has just created a backdrop of our image. Now I will just zoom it out. Okay, and Shift A and add a scale node to it. Now I'll set this to render size. Okay, now I'm going to work on this render properties for now. I'll just set, okay, now change EV to cycles, set the render value as 30, oh not 3, it's 30, and open the film panel and check transparent. Okay, now Shift A and alpha over, it is the same node setup we use in every tutorial. Okay, so no need to worry. If you didn't see my node setup tutorial, you can just click on the I button and watch it, and you'll understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, now Shift A and add a mask. Mask. Okay, now click on this icon and there will be an option F mask. Click on that. Okay, now connect this to the factor. Okay, now you won't see anything. Now if you Control Shift left click on the mask node, you will see a white layer is formed here. Okay, it is saying that we have a mask. Okay, now if you just render this, you'll see the magic. Okay, but before that, we're going to save the file as mask. I don't know why it's not saving. Okay, I'll save it again. Yeah, my file has been saved, and we also need to go to the output properties, and we're going to browse our location where our output should render. Okay, and I have this location. Control S to save and click render animation. Okay, it's kind of messy. I don't know. I mean, I know what happened. Okay, now we want our cube to be behind the flower vase in our raw image, but Blender has recognized in a different way. I'll tell you the reason now. I'll just open my Blender file. Okay, now if I just Shift A and I'll get an invert node connected between the mask and the alpha ore. And now if you render it, yeah, you don't need to render it, you can just clearly see what happened. See, our cube is behind the flower vase, so we did it successfully. Okay, now I'll just add some blur to let it be realistic. Okay, I want it to be realistic. I'll just set the values 5 and 5, and it will just composite, and you will get the image. Yeah, now my cube is looking accurately, and now I'm going to just click on render and render animation. Okay guys, we successfully managed to get our CG cube behind our raw image flower vase. Congratulations guys, you successfully made it. Hooray! If you like this video, then please drop a like, share, and if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon and set it to all, because we're going to give some interesting stuff like this to you guys. See you next time in the new video. Until then, bye.